To set up payroll taxes, go to Payroll Settings, input your legal name and address, Employer Identification Number or EIN for short, state agencies for local taxes. Now, QuickBooks will configure Social Security and Medicare deductions during each payroll run. QuickBooks calculates payroll taxes based on employee earning and tax settings. It's always a good idea to check deductions for Social Security, Medicare, and income tax after entering employee hours. Access the payroll tax section from the payroll menu. See a summary of taxes owed, including Social Security, Medicare, and income tax, along with remittance deadlines. QuickBooks regularly updates tax tables to reflect changes, ensuring accuracy throughout the year. QuickBooks separates liabilities by agency, simplifying the remittance process. View liabilities by specific periods and plan for upcoming remittances accordingly. QuickBooks helps you track and remit payroll taxes, guiding you through payments and ensuring accurate filings. Choose outstanding tax liabilities and pay via QuickBooks or manually. For manual payments, select the relevant account. Enter the payment details, such as the payment date. For payments made by check, you can enter the check number for tracking purposes. Once you have reviewed all the details, click to record payment. QuickBooks will record the transaction. Payroll tax reports provide essential details for filing and remitting taxes. To view payroll tax reports, go to Reports and navigate to the Payroll section. Select reports like Payroll Summary or Payroll Tax Liability. Customize the reporting period as required. Export reports to PDF or Excel for sharing or reference during tax filings.
Are you happy with this training? Make sure to subscribe for more great content. Visit the Simon Says It channel, explore our videos and training sessions, and decide what you want to learn next.